Ashley here, and welcome back to Dress to Jet. Today I am sharing with you the second unboxing of a Redbird Vintage Box. So yeah, I got two boxes for Christmas, and I did open them on Christmas Day. So this one I do know what's inside, but everyone coming after this will be opened on camera. So it will be, you'll get my reactions to what's inside. But this one I do know what's in here. I'm filming this right after Christmas. You can see my Christmas stuff is still up. In real life, it's probably down by now, but I'm getting this filmed so I can start enjoying what's in the box because I opened it and then put everything right back in and I haven't opened it again. So I just wanted to share with you what I got. A small disclaimer, I've seen some vintage YouTubers that get a box for free from them to just share on their channel. This is not an ad, this is not a sponsorship. I didn't get this for free or get paid or anything. I am a 100% paying customer that's just excited about my box. So I just wanted to share the vintage things that I get with you. So yeah, full paying customer, just excited about it. So yeah, and then one thing that's different with this box, and will probably be similar to boxes coming in the future, on their Instagram, if you're a subscriber, well, you can see it even if you're not a subscriber, but it's only really important to you if you are a subscriber. They post like a slew of like different categories, like a bunch of pictures in each category of each post of, you know, buttons, pierced earrings, I mean, necklaces, bracelets, sets, like all these different categories. And you're able to look through and send them an email if you see some pieces that you like. You can request that they be in your box. You're not guaranteed anything, but you might get that piece in your box. So I requested maybe like 10 items. Of course, I don't even get 10 items in my box, but I was like, oh, you know, maybe, you know, if 5 of these someone else already called, I'll get a few, you know, maybe I can get a few of them in my box. So yeah, that's something you can do if you're a subscriber, and maybe you'll get the pieces that you like. So I definitely am keeping an eye out for that for my next box, because it was fun looking through all the stuff that they have. Even if you're not going to get it or you're not really interested in it, it's fun seeing all of the different pieces that are available. And different people might like stuff that you didn't like, but you know, it's still cool to see them all laid out. Okay, so I opened the box, and as always, they have this beautiful little packaging. They have your box, little card in your box saying depending on which box you got, what you're getting. And again, they have a nice handwritten note wishing a very happy and healthy holiday season for my December box. So always a nice touch, so you get the handwritten note there. And then on here, let me take it off so I can show you, they always tie the bow with some little trinket of some kind. I actually think I saw this in the posts, in the, you know, the requests, you know, what's up for requests. I think I did see this. I didn't pick it, but they included it anyway, which is this little pin with a candle and some holly wrapping around it, and it's lit, and it has a little bit of wax pouring down, and it's in a little candle holder. And this is a cute little holiday piece. And I did see, I'm 99% sure I saw it in the requests options, and I just kind of like looked, I just kind of, you know, went on, but it is really cute. I'm glad I got it. So yeah, I was happy about that. It's something I kind of just like looked past in person. It's really cute, a nice holiday piece. Okay, again, get your little bag, your little floral bag. So you get one of these every month. I mean, these would be great for traveling or gift giving or whatever. So I'm saving those to be reused for sure. Okay, so I believe, yeah. So there was only one thing in my box that I did not request. Everything else was one of my requests, which is crazy. I was so happy about that. So the first one I got, I did not request, are these clip-on earrings. They look like, basically they look like ear of corn that's white with 2 fern leaves on either side. That's kind of what they look like to me, but they're very cute, and they would go with everything. And they're white, and then like the base of it is a gold color. So these are very different, and I'm excited to wear these with everything. They go with everything, so it's exciting. Okay, so everything else here, I was very excited to see because I had requested it and hoped that I would get it. So I love skeleton keys. It's just an aesthetic that I really love. I love the Tiffany keys. I love all that stuff. So anything that looks like a vintage key at all, but skeleton keys, of course. So I got these 2 pins, and they're both skeleton keys. They had quite a few skeleton keys in this batch. This one's a lot thicker, and it's just perfect. It's just a perfect skeleton key. I love it. So that'll be really fun to wear. It's a gold color skeleton key, which is great. And this one's much more dainty and a little bit more ornate. And the middle is missing because you put that to be like where the fabric would be on your lapel or whatever. So yeah, this one's, I actually have to like figure out how to work this one. This one seems a little bit more delicate and everything, but this one's really cute as well. I love keys, so I was very happy to see those. And I love lockets too, so I got 2 lockets. And this one's gold, and it's a much more than the next one I'm going to show you, but this one's much more light and simple. And it has, I don't even know what the little design is on it. It's not floral. I'm not even sure what it is. It's just different shapes and stuff. And it does open, and you can put a little picture in there. Nothing in there at the moment, but yeah, it's just a very simple, dainty locket, and I think it's freaking adorable. Now this one was kind of a surprise, so I did pick this one out, but obviously I didn't see it from all angles. I only saw it from the front, and this is a much more bulky, thick silver one, which has like floral scape and doves and some foliage on the front. So that's like the thing on there. So I was like, man, this is really thick. Like, it obviously opens, but I think it opens more than a normal locket. So it took me and my husband a while to like figure out how it opened. Let's see if I can do it here for you because, okay, good, I got that side. It was kind of a little bit of a puzzle, honestly. Let's see. Ugh. And like, man, the stuff, how they make things like back in the day, it's so much stronger than today, I feel like. Because these little clips, like the clasps, are serious business. Okay, I've almost got it all the way. There we go, I got it. I'm very like, oh, I don't want to break it, you know? So this one opens up and you can fit 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures in it. And it's very cool. Yeah, and it just is, it's a really, I've never seen a locket like this. So I based it purely on the front. I didn't really know it was going to open like this, and I'm really excited that it does. So there you go, and I can clip it back in. You can hear that. That is like heavy duty business. So yeah, that was a really pretty locket that I got. So the last item is this insane pearl necklace that is just so cool. It's very RGB. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows down, and it's got a ton of rows across in between. It's just so cool. I just love it. And it's got a nice extender, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. It has a pretty substantial extender beads there. Yeah, that is just so cool. And this, I remember this was one of the ones I requested too. So yeah, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and then 7 total, counting the little extra that tied the bow. So, and almost all of those were things that I requested. So that was really a fun experience picking out things, and you just don't know, you know, if any of those items are going to get picked or not for you. So yeah, it was really good. That was kind of a fun little like mystery shopping experience. So yeah, so that's all was in my December box. Next month we'll see what's in there, and I'll be opening that without seeing it first. So that'll be really fun to film. So yeah, that's my second Redbird Vintage Box unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.